What happens when one of the world's biggest tech companies decides it no longer wants to depend on other chip makers? For years, companies like Nvidia and advanced micro devices have powered the global AI revolution. But now, something new is happening. Meta Platforms has just revealed 4 new AI chips designed to run its massive artificial intelligence systems. Is this the beginning of a new era where big tech controls its own AI hardware? Or is this the start of a major battle in the global semiconductor industry? Is Nvidia's monopoly in danger? No matter where you live in the world, if you want deep, documentary-style analysis on AI, technology, and financial power shifts, subscribe now, and let's begin. On March 11, 2026, Meta Platforms officially announced a new generation of AI processors. The company revealed 4 chips in its MTIA series. These include MTIA 300, MTIA 400, MTIA 450, and MTIA 500. These chips are designed specifically for AI training and inference tasks inside Meta's data centers. And this is part of a much larger strategy, reducing dependence on external hardware suppliers. Let's break down the rollout timeline. The first chip, MTIA 300, is already running in production environments. It currently powers ranking and recommendation systems across Meta's platforms. The next chip, MTIA 400, is expected to begin deployment in data centers by the end of 2026. After that, MTIA 450 is planned for early 2027, and MTIA 500 is scheduled for late 2027 deployment. Each generation will include improvements in memory speed, processing efficiency, and AI performance. These upgrades are designed to handle increasingly complex AI workloads. The reason behind this strategy is simple. Artificial intelligence requires massive computing power. Companies like Nvidia currently dominate the market for AI GPUs, but relying entirely on external suppliers can create risks. Costs can increase, supply can become limited, and, innovation timelines may depend on third-party companies. By developing its own chips, Meta gains greater control over its infrastructure. It can design hardware specifically optimized for its own AI systems. Meta is not alone in this strategy. Other major technology companies are also building custom AI hardware. Companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft have already developed specialized chips for their data centers. These custom processors help power cloud computing platforms and AI services. The result? A growing AI chip race among the world's largest tech companies. Each company wants greater control over the infrastructure behind artificial intelligence. The big question many investors are asking is this: does this trend threaten companies like Nvidia and advanced micro devices? The short answer is not immediately. These companies still lead the AI hardware industry. Their GPUs remain essential for training advanced models, but over the long term, if more tech companies design their own chips, the overall dependence on external GPU suppliers could gradually decline. That possibility represents a long-term shift in the semiconductor landscape. This creates 2 possible scenarios. The opportunity scenario. AI demand continues expanding rapidly, which means both custom chips and external GPUs are needed. In that case, companies like Nvidia remain dominant while big tech develops specialized hardware. The threat scenario. Large tech firms eventually reduce their reliance on external suppliers. That could reshape the competitive dynamics of the AI hardware market. So the real question now is this: is Meta simply optimizing its infrastructure, or quietly preparing for a future where big tech companies control their own AI hardware ecosystems? Because throughout technology history, the companies that control the infrastructure layer often control the entire industry. And the AI revolution is still in its early stages, which means the real winners of the AI chip race may not be fully visible yet. But one thing is clear: the battle for AI hardware dominance has officially begun.